Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go into the phone application once again, and here you will see the three dots. Just click here into the settings, and here you will see the block numbers section. Now we can see that we got in our blacklist 2 contacts, and just to remove one from these contacts you should click only to this minus here, and you can see here that we got the message that this contact is unblocked, and we can receive the calls and messages from this number. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.